Good morning. I just woke up, and I am already feeling hungry because I did not eat much last night, and my stomach feels empty.
Good morning. I'm also feeling hungry, so we should talk about what to eat today and plan our meals properly.
Yes, planning our meals is a good idea because planning early helps us eat healthy meals and avoid unhealthy snacks.
Let us start with breakfast because breakfast gives us energy to begin the day and helps us feel active.
For breakfast, I do not want oily or heavy food because it makes me feel lazy, so I want something light and easy to digest.
In that case, we can eat toasted bread with a little butter and one boiled egg because it is simple, healthy, and quick to prepare.
That sounds good, and I would also like to drink coffee because coffee helps me wake up and feel fresh in the morning.
I will drink tea instead because tea relaxes me and makes my morning calm and pleasant.
Now that breakfast is ready, let us sit together and eat slowly, so we can enjoy the food and feel comfortable.
Yes, this breakfast is light and healthy, and it helps us feel active without making us feel heavy.
The toast and egg taste good, and they are easy to digest, so I already feel better.
Eating breakfast on time gives us energy and helps us start the day in a good mood.
Now that we have finished breakfast, I feel full and comfortable, and I am happy we ate on time.
Yes, when we eat breakfast properly, we feel energetic, so now we can slowly think about lunch. It is now afternoon, and I am starting to feel hungry again, as many hours have passed since breakfast.
For lunch, I really want to eat home-cooked food because outside food is oily and not good for daily health.
I agree with you, so we should cook at home and eat simple food like rice, dal, and vegetables.
I feel like eating rice today because it is filling and gives enough energy for the rest of the day.
We can make dal and vegetable curry using potatoes, tomatoes, and beans because we already have these vegetables at home.
That sounds healthy and tasty, and we can also eat curd because it helps with digestion. Now it is evening, and I feel a little hungry again, but I do not want to eat heavy snacks or fried food.
I feel the same, so we should eat something light like fruits and drink 1 cup of tea.
Eating fruit in the evening is a good habit because it is healthy and easy to digest.
I will cut apples and bananas and make tea because this is enough to control evening hunger. It is nighttime now, and after a long day, I feel tired, so I want a very light dinner.
I also want light food because a heavy dinner can disturb sleep and make us feel uncomfortable at night.
For dinner, we can have 2 rotis with a simple vegetable curry, as it is healthy and not too heavy.
That sounds perfect, and we should avoid oily food at night because good sleep is very important. Today we ate simple, healthy, and home-cooked food, and it made me feel fresh and lean.
Yes, when we eat simple food every day, our body stays healthy and our mind feels calm.
We should continue eating like this because good food habits help us live a better and healthier life.
I agree, and from tomorrow, we should follow the same routine again.